Hey, Stewie, why do I keep yawning all the time? Is it contagious or something?
Peter, yawning isn't just about being tired. It helps your brain cool down and stay alert.
Wait, so yawning is like an air conditioner for my brain?
Exactly. It increases blood flow, regulates brain temperature, and yes, makes it contagious for laughs.
So when everyone yawns in a meeting, it's actually science and not laziness?
Precisely. Yawning is a subtle brain hack, and your body is trying to keep you sharp.
Wow, so my brain is basically running its own little AC unit while I sit here?
Yes, Peter. Respect the yawn, and maybe stop blaming meetings for it.